In this case, our client is a leading global oil refining and petrochemical company, ranked among the world 500 strong. The company operates extensive refineries and petrochemical plants, producing a wide range of products including fuels, chemical feedstocks, and textiles. As part of its expansion and modernization efforts, the client faced significant challenges in handling large steel plates used in the construction and maintenance of their facilities. Understanding the specific requirements of the client, we customized the Electro Permanent Lifting Magnet to enhance its performance in its unique operational environment. The magnet was designed with reinforced materials to withstand the demanding conditions of oil refineries and petrochemical plants. We also integrated a quick-release mechanism to further simplify operations, allowing the client to achieve faster turnaround times during material handling tasks. These personalized features ensured that the magnet seamlessly integrated into the client's workflow, delivering immediate improvements in efficiency and safety.